shoot this damn thing, Staff Sergeant. That weapon's still hot. Let me just shoot it.
Doc. Yes, sir, Sergeant.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
We need to know exactly where to hit this thing, so we don't waste all our ammo.
Maybe I can help. I'm a veterinarian.
Sure you want to do this?
I was more sure when I was standing over there.
We gotta figure out how to kill these things. Otherwise, we won't last another 5 minutes out there, okay? Let's peel this back.
Look at this, we got an organ right here.
Look at that. I got another one right here.
Yeah,
Does it have some sort of cognitive mechanism, anything?
There is no frontal lobe, no temporal lobe, no parietal lobe. The cranial vault is unlike anything I've ever seen.
Oh, shit. What? Shit.
What you say?
You see what I'm saying?
What?
The ones that were just on the roof aren't on the roof right now anymore. There's about 2 dozen coming out the door down there. Shit. Gosh damn it, they're in the street. They're heading this way.
They're heading this way. Lieutenant, we got movement up here.
Roger that.
We have contact 300 meters out. We gotta cut quick.
Lieutenant, we gotta move! What do we do?
Shit's hitting the fan. We gotta move.
Staff Sergeant?
Come on, how do you kill this thing?
Dang it, Staffs.
I lost them.
You lost them. Lieutenant, they're gone. Lieutenant, I don't see anything.
What the hell's that?
We got a breach.
Lieutenant, we got a breach at the north entrance!
They're inside the building. I'm gonna gather everyone by the doors on the south side of the building, okay?
We're right behind you. Duke, will you go with her?
Yes, sir, Sergeant.
Imlay, you got an HE grenade round?
Never leave home without a, Staff
You
Sergeant.
cover that hall to the rear. Buy me some time. They start coming, you blast the hell out of them.
Hey, Harris, where's that goddamn bus?
Stabs, we got an enemy scout. Come on, let's go.
Yes! Yes! Yeah, baby! Newark! Represent!
Lieutenant, got the bus heading back.
Okay, guys, the bus is en route. Bus is en route, guys.
30 seconds till we move out! Imlay, give me a sit rep. I need an update on the breach. Report back, over.
We're running out of time. They breached!
This is our last shot.
Got it.
Right here.
That's gotta be it. It's dying.
That's how we kill this thing. To the right of where the heart would be.
Got it.
I got 3 more.
Let's get out of here.